This is R.D. Sharma solution, class 12, chapter number 3, binary operations. Exercise is 3.3. The first question is, find the identity element in the set I plus of all positive integers defined by A star B equals A plus B for all A, B belong to I plus. So this A star B is equal to A plus B. So what is this I plus? I plus, you can say it is a subset of an integer because it is all positive integers. So this will contain 0, 1, 2 and likewise I plus. Okay. So identity element we have to find out. Identity element means when we operate, that is operate A, either you take A or B or any element, when you operate this element with this identity element, you should get the same element, not the identity element but the same element. So A should be received. If you operate E with A, then also you will get A, or you operate E with any of the element, you should get always that element. So how do we do this? How do we find out the identity element? Because that element should also belong to that set. For example, I plus is the set. So I plus it should belong. So A star B is A plus E. This is what is given. So A star E is what? A plus E. So it should be equal to what? As I said, it should be equal to A. When we operate it, it should be equal to A. So A plus E equals A. That means A goes here. E gets A minus A. So E is 0 here. So 0 is there. So 0 is the identity element in I plus. Now question number 2 you have to see very carefully because the question number 3 and 4 they are almost similar to it. And question number 3 and 4 they have come in CBSE 2012. Okay. Find the identity element in the set of all rational numbers except -1 with respect to star defined by. Now this Q is rational number. So we don't have to take a -1. And how it is defined? A star B equals A plus B plus AB. Now identity element. When you operate A with this identity element or E operate with identity element, you should get this A back. A back. So A star E is defined by, because A star B is defined by A plus B plus AB. So in the place of B, just put A plus E plus AE. A into E. B is E here. Now this is equal to A. Always A should come. So let us equate with E. A gets cancelled. If you take A on the right hand side, it will be 0. A minus A is 0. So E plus AE is 0. Now take E common. You get 1 plus A equals 0. So that can be two things. Either A is 0 or 1 plus A is 0. But 1 plus A is -1. You cannot take -1. So it has to be E equals 0. So the identity element is 0 in this case. Question number 3. If the binary operation star on the set Z is defined by A star B equals A plus B minus 5, then find the identity element with respect to star. Now this question is already there in CBSE 2012. So A star E is what? E star A star E, whatever you do, you should get this A back. So A star E is defined by A plus E minus 5. So in place of B, just replace it by E. So A plus E minus 5 equals, it has to be A. So A gets cancelled. E minus 5 equals 0. E is equal to 5. This is your answer. Now we have fourth part on the set Z of integers. If the binary operation star is defined by A star B equals A plus B plus 2, then find the identity element. So A star E should be equal to A. In the place of B, just replace it by E. A plus E plus 2 equals A. A gets cancelled. E plus 2 equals 0. E gets 2 value, negative 2. So it's a identity element. Okay, this is all about this exercise. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.